One really big thing that gets ran into with military families is what do you do when you need to buy or sell a house when your spouse is either deployed or they're in a different state at the time for some sort of training or something like that, in order to line it up with your schedule and what's coming next. Now, this is doable, but there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind. The very first one that is that as soon as you figure out that this is going to be the situation, that you're going to be at the closing table by yourself, you need to alert everybody on your team, preferably even before the transaction starts. Let your realtor know before you're buying a house that you are going to be purchasing and you are going to be a power of attorney for your spouse. This way they're able to, make sure that all of the contracts are being sent out electronically where they can sign it. We have CTME to do that here in Colorado Springs. That makes it really, really easy. But they also need to let the title company know, because the title company can actually generate a property-specific power of attorney. Now, on that power of attorney, sometimes people think they don't need it. They have a general power of attorney, but that isn't always the case. Sometimes that box is not checked in the general power of attorney or does not include the ability to buy the house. So you definitely need to get that done. It's really easy. They usually generate it for you. Then your significant other can take that to JAG. That's, if you don't know, it's a military's law office, essentially. They can get it notarized there. It does have to be sent back to you in the mail. So they can do that overseas. It is possible, but you need to allow time for that, which is why the title company needs to know as soon as possible. Now, they also need to know whether or not your spouse is going to be back at the time for closing, so at the actual closing table. If not, totally fine, but you will have to do a lot of signing, so just kind of be prepared for that. You're going to have to sign your own name, and then you're going to have to sign their name, and you're going to write as power of attorney. It's a very long statement. Your hand does get tired, but it is doable. Now, if you live in Colorado Springs, go ahead and give me a call at the number right here. I am more than happy to help with this process, and then also hook you up with a team who is able to do those things as well. So a title rep that knows how to do this, that they have system in place, they've done it before, they're not having to do a learning curve in order to do the transaction. We can also do that with lenders, just people that are aware of the military situation, the unique kind of life that we all live here, so that we're able to do that. And that's my Tuesday topics for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments below, or you can send me a direct message, send me a text, phone call, anything that you'd like. And I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.